I have 24 hours to find a dropshipping product, make a store for it, create ads, and get at least one sale or I'll shave my eyebrows off. Let's go. Alright, I was gonna choose a product the normal
TikTok made me buy it way,
but instead I thought I'd do some real life consumer research. So I asked my neighbor who buys loads of trendy stuff if she bought anything lately, and she sent me a picture of this lamp. So I took it from her temporarily, and now I need to think of a name for it, then create the store as quickly as possible. And sorry if I talk hella fast in this video. I cannot waste time and risk shaving my eyebrows off. Okay, since my product's a lamp, I want to keep lamp in the name with some alliteration, so I need an L word then lamp. I just came up with Lucid Lamp, but that domain name and its variations were all taken, so I had to settle with lucidlampco.com, which actually sounds pretty sick, so I'm gonna buy it. Bam, Lucid Lamp Co is mine, and now it's time to build the store and start making some money. The plan is to initially build a basic Shopify store with a free theme, because that'll save me the most time and allow me to start making ads and promos as soon as possible. Then once the ads and organic videos are running, I will go back and make the store a lot better.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take.
Alright, that took a little over 2 hours and the store is looking okay. It's nothing special, but it's definitely good enough to get some sales. It is all the typical stuff like a countdown timer, 50% off sale, a bunch of pretty gifts with crucial selling points as seen on TV decals, the Tidio chatbot, which is a super clutch tool I've been using on my real e-com stores. Tidio literally alerts you when someone's on your store so you can chat with them live and close a lot more sales. Then at the bottom I have a few reviews that look really flipping good. These are definitely the best part of the store currently. Then up top you can see the Lucid Lamps logo. It's alright considering it only took 3 minutes to make. Then if we scroll down on the home page, you can tell it definitely needs some work, like a lot of work. But before I fix the store, I need to set up the TikTok ads and organic content because no one's gonna find my website without them. If you've ever dropshipped with TikTok ads, you know getting an ad account approved can take minutes or days. And considering I only have 20 hours left in this challenge, I am very worried that my account will not get approved in time. But since there's no way to expedite the process, I'm going to script, film, and edit an ad for the Lucid Lamp right now, and hopefully by the time I'm done, the ad account will be approved.
I decided to ditch my LEDs and get a Lucid Lamp. You can pick from hundreds of elegant colors with the touch of your finger. Plus, there's so many different modes you can use to brighten your room. Get yours before our sale ends.
That was a banger ad. Unfortunately, you guys didn't hear it with the music because YouTube would take this video down. But I used that one "Give me reasons we should be complete" song, and it complemented the video so well. I guarantee this will generate loads of sales once TikTok finds the right audience, but who knows if that'll happen in this challenge because the ad account is still not approved. So the only thing I can do now is start filming tons of organic TikTok promos, and hopefully by the time I film a solid 10 to 15 of those, the ads account will be running. Oh, the ad account just got approved. We did it. Let's go, baby. Thank you, God. I just submitted the TikTok ads to start running, so they should go live in around 20 to 30 minutes. And the game plan for the rest of the day is to film like 7 more TikToks, then go to the gym. And when I get home, if I'm not exhausted, I'll make the website better. Well, leg day blew my back out last night harder than Young Gravy did to Addison Rae's mom, so I didn't film an update, but I did get some sales. How many, you may ask? Well, I'll tell you at the end of the video. But the ads are starting to run decently. The TikTok and YouTube Shorts have 5,000 views combined, and there's currently 5 hours left in this challenge. So I'm gonna make a few more TikToks right now, then revamp the store, and I'll probably put a screen recording of the changes I make on the screen right now so I don't have to show y'all later. And yeah, let's transfer the future Logan with the final result. Alright, the 24-hour dropshipping challenge has officially concluded. Let's see how I did. I got my first sale of the challenge yesterday evening thanks to the partner of today's video, Tidio. Tidio offers a combination of live chat and automated chatbots to allow you to talk with anyone in your store in real time, collects customers' emails for retargeting, and automates responses to help increase sales. For example, I set up tons of automated messages messages for basic questions like, does the lamp come with batteries? How much does shipping cost, etc. And how I closed this sale in particular was the customer went on my website and asked a question. I got a notification on my phone seconds after it happened. Then I answered her questions about battery lifetime and shipping. And because I provided the info she needed ASAP, she bought my product. Tidio is literally an e-commerce cheat code. It requires no coding and has 35 plus ready-to-use chatbot templates for different e-commerce scenarios. So if you want to increase your conversion rate, sign up for a free Tidio account or get 20% off the premium plan with the link in my description. And now let's get into the final results. Okay, the overall expenses for this challenge, including ads, domain names, and product costs, added up to $109.44. And after that first sale, I got one more sale for $30, which means I made $60 selling the lamps for a total profit of negative $49. And although I did lose money, I'm certain I can make the store very profitable if I decide to fix it up and let the ads find their audience. So if this video gets 1,000 likes, I would do a 1-month dropshipping challenge with this lamp. Subscribe if you enjoyed this challenge, and you can watch me try the dropship with $0 in these videos. God bless.